So ask him how long ago he got his first pig.
The web but the mouse on Yan work out a black jabby lady. Why, take on
the name you can eat.
the name of the lale.
The Nalalu, because on last Sunday, years, Conayas in the Nippy.
Nalalu, 1 year and 10 months ago, he got his first pig.
And who did he get the pigs from?
Bear, take on what we do see a yard.
You are a beer. You know, a Senegal beer,
A bear puts a yard.
Who put the nip and that ever chili?
Oh, take on what Tunyana Yaram hope, but stand up where
Chanda, where beer, Senegal, say, go to me, you didn't go down out of the mamma you know.
He got 2 pigs from the 12 pigs that Shanta gave first.
Can you say more about the program?
Firstly, Shanta started with 12 pigs in this village, and other families get pig from that 12 pig, and the last 2 pig he got the last 2 pig from Shanta program.
And how did he learn how to take care of pigs?
Job on the way you to penny beyond then you let it to see.
They are whom we never wait for the
God will send me your way.
You don't have wait for the next time with us.
He
didn't know that they are meeting out about it.
He did not know well about how to breed pig, but he learned from himself. There's no teacher for him to breed pig, but he learned from himself and he takes care of his pig.
And ask him what he does every day to take care of the pigs.
What we begin to do about Lopia later. Need I Lopia?
A salon, you don't do the cover.
Yeah,
the Hadley, no elam to be about the color to be.
you the better catch will be there. A sound need I do there.
Sado,
The
the
she tired.
You say a satin coming here.
I need a coffee there. Your year the better catch will be there. Every day.
More kind of minimum to be able to
Every day he feeds his pigs 2 times. He feeds his pigs 2 times and shower, bathing every week, 1 time a week. How to get our ball?
The Nima Jetun, the Junia, the Nima, the Kobe board him. Kilomio when Magado, when my thing of homage, the nigger on the couple. In the couple credit. Changado, the Nima,
He's so happy with his pig farm because normally their agriculture like a cherut leaf and the wheat and the garlic come out once time in a year. But this pig can deliver twice in a year, so it makes money for him, and also it looks like we call the safe box of money. We can put money in the box and we can open. We got so much money, so
like a bank.
Like a bank. So in his mind, the pig farm is like a bank. Even though he has a little difficulty with the pig foods he have to buy so far away, so carry, so that is a little difficult for him, but he's so happy with his pig farm because it supports him a lot. There are financial problems, and so he's happy with this.
The pigs have helped her family.
So you the true and such meeting and you the true.
Say to in the 2 years, oh, got me being a chat at the 2 years, no? You saw what?
Yeah, simply like I one window.
One and net double.
Is she happy with the pigs?
Oh, I hello.
The Chalungan who are the Missida Guarabo.
Oh, when we can hello. Oh, the Chalunga de Mapu mà bỏ chén món nó bỏ chén xuyên thì mẹ chơi tông chơi làm giàn xa ở lúc buồn xuyên thì chua tất xa vì mẹ
She's so happy with her pig farm because before pig farm they have difficulty times between their products come out, agriculture product come out. They have to borrow money for their life, foods and also supplying to their education. But after they dig a pig farm, there's no difficulty. They can use money from the pig and they can support their children in the education. And they don't need to borrow money from others. So that is a big support for her family, she thinks.